This is the part 2 of HTML tags. Let's get to it. First is image tag. The HTML image tag is used to show images on a web page. If you want to show image on your web page, so you can use as image tag. What is SRC? SRC is the source of image. This tells the browser where the image is located. And what is ALT? If the image does not load, this text will appear. How to add image in this tag? So I will explain you. Open the Chrome or Google and search image. जो भी image आपको लगानी है you can search. Open that image and copy the path. And paste it in a source. और LT के अंदर जो भी whatever you want to write, so you can write it. Like if in some case अगर image load नहीं हो रही है नेटवर्क इशू के कारण या कुछ और अदर रॉन्ग पाथ वगैरह है तो उसके behalf में whatever we are writing inside the ALT, so that will show. Now you can see बहुत ज़्यादा ही बड़ी आ गई है image. So what I do, I will give the height of image and width of image. Height is 40%. And table tag. Inside the table, TR, it's a table row, and TH means table heading. New. You can see here this is the table heading. If you want to write something here, so add TD, it means table data. You can see here this is the table row and this is the table data. Next tag is semantic tags. Semantic tags are tags that have a meaningful name like header, footer, article. They are semantic tags. Article हो गया. They all are semantic tags. Next is button tag. If you want to add a button on your web page, so you can use button tag. You can see here this is a button. Next one is dual tag. You can use if you want to add a list on your web page or website, so you can use unordered list. Inside the unordered list, we are adding list. Here I am writing apple. So you can see here this is a unordered list form. It means अगर आपको कुछ भी list के form में लिखना है आपके website में, so you can use unordered list. एक और होता है. Next one is order list. इसमें जो भी आप लिखोगे वो ordered form में आएगा. It means one by one. You can see here ये ordered form में और ये unordered form में. Here is some mini interview questions related to tags. First is which tag is used for image? So image tag is used for image. Next, second one is which attribute gives image path? Source attribute gives image path. Which tag creates hyperlink? Anchor tag creates hyperlink. Fourth one is which tag creates form? Form tag creates form. Fifth, last one is which tag is used for largest heading? H1 is creates largest heading.